Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talent Traders and myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And based on our Google Sheet, many positional opportunities which triggers on this month and we find some opportunity which given you an intraday as well as our positional trading strategies based on our advanced option strategy concept which we are going to find out. And now we finally update our Google Sheet based on monthly and weekly positional, and now the update, and today you are watching that our Google Sheet may be the perfect update. And finally we got it exact entries we can find out before the trade. So in this video we are going to discuss about these things on our Google Sheet along with our positional trading strategies, and we find out some opportunities based on our concept, so that we are looking for an opportunity about this particular stocks. Okay, and we find out the stocks by using our Google Sheet and by our positional trading strategy. And we find out today like Lupin, sorry, Sale and Tata Motors and something like BPCL and Kankar. Kankar is about monthly positional, okay, but weekly positional not given you such a good result. We are looking for a Kankar and it now triggers and then it returned back, but Sale is working well. And Apollo Tire is about previous day entry that given you the target today. And Lupin that is also moving well. Trent and Laura Slab and Yield Copper that was having a good result. But overall market is started with was negative and finally it recovered back in Nifty. But we find some opportunities and newer opportunities based on this Google Sheet. We have to find the quality and liquid stocks. Okay, so not to focus for all the stocks because it looks like a scanner which helping you to find out all the entries. Okay, so we should find out all the entry. Okay, like all F&O stocks, all 184 F&O stocks which will be scanning in this particular thing, and based on that we are finding an entry opportunity. Finally we get and how many trades on our monthly positional, and based on the monthly positional we find out lot of opportunities. And finally we got some good trading system by this tool. Just a moment. Yeah, we find out today about the DLF, which we are focusing for a 520 and non-monthly positioning. So we have a lot of triggers on granulars into Petro City Union Bank. We are looking City Union Bank from the beginning, but it was not an active, and finally it was triggered. And due to liquidity, we are ignoring some stocks, and BPCL is triggers and ACC around 7% and Tata Motors 650. I think not today. Let me check the Tata Motors 650, and this is what a sale which we are looking for a sale around 95 6.6. In the initial we have seen around 6.7, and finally the sale is reaching towards the 8, and that almost 20 plus percentage based on our Google Sheet scanner. And Tata Motors 650 call option, Tata Motors 650 put option, it's about not a call, and it was a gap up, so we are not focusing the gap up. And 45 our entry point in Tata Motors is about 42.7, and it was not triggered today, and it was on positional trade something from somewhere from 8th of August. Okay, after that it moves down to 28 from 42, and then it went up to 55 by the gap up. Okay, so this positional trade, if you are planning with the positional opportunity, even you should look for uh, that liquidity and the volume of this particular strike price. That is what very important. Don't want to take all the stocks, something like Britannia, and some stocks may not be having good liquidity, but maybe a round number having some good liquidity, but this strike prices are may not be actively traded. So such a stocks you need to check with the current market depth, and then you can find out the trade opportunities. Like in weekly positional we find something like sale and 5 rupees 92 it was in closing, and we find out some stock like granulars, not granulars, Kankar Container Corporation. I think that was moves very down, and we have this stock we added in our list. So Container Corporation around 24. We are looking for a 33, 36, and immediately it went up to near about 40. So near about 3.5 rupees, and then it moves down. If you are an intraday trader, we already discussed based on our advanced option strategy concept how we can use an intraday, either 2 to 3,000 rupees target. maybe it has given you more than 3000 as an intraday, but as a positional we should wait for it. And even persistence which we are taken in the morning and immediately it moves down and again return back, but finally closed on the nearby. But it is a positional, and Reliance on, I think from 46 it went up to 53, some 7 8 point, and Kodak Bank we are waiting from the beginning around 92 plus 96 plus, it doesn't give you. And National Aluminum also we are waiting 6.2, but overall market is down and not moving as such a big trendy, and there's a range bound like that, a gap down opening and again recovery, something is going on in Nifty right now, but at the all-time high nearby and it corrected some. And maybe but stocks it doesn't give you the better chances, but even though based on our monthly concepts we find out some of the trades that was working well based on our advanced strategy. And also we are giving you some offer on our advanced option strategy courses on our website. The website link will be on the description. You simply go to the website and you can see the courses, and you can get the coupon code to purchase the code. So now Bajaj, Finserv and MGL, GNFC are those stocks in monthly, it's looking good. But as our target, SBI in Godrej Properties in weekly, monthly, India Cements, Dixon, GoForce, Techium we did the trade, and REC and PVR Inox I think today or yesterday, I think today, and Lupin that already given you such a good opportunity, and Trent that was moving well, and some of them more than 50%, around 4 5 stocks in put side. So we have almost 6 7 stocks for a positional trigger, and that was giving you some better opportunity for in a positional basis. This is the scanner, and temporary already we are finding that because a lot of stock which is due to the gap down opening today in put side we are triggered, so many stock which triggers in a put side, but call side we are very few number, and we find the Reliance and LTM Mandri and something like in our like first 1 hour session, and Infosys is happening after, and we find HAL. So these are all fresh week and fresh opportunity, but some stocks which given you some better trading idea in NMDC 4 to 6 and Alchemy Laboratories. Only quality and liquid stocks we can plan. And in downside, so we have a lot of stock which triggers by this pre-open session. That means in the first 15 minutes, lot of stocks, and after some stocks which given you 10 20% maximum. That's it. Adani Port also we are looking in the beginning, so almost 20%, and something like VA Industries we are checking and it was not liquid. Bank of Baroda that given almost 20%, maybe intraday. So intraday simply I'm just focusing only the stock triggered after 9:15, 9:15 to 9:30. Any entry trigger which is after that we can go for it. That thing is happening. And State Bank, you look at this here in the weekly is 12 rupees, but we are looking for a monthly around 21, but it was not triggered. And Tata Power we are looking for a 6, and I think it was triggered in the pre-open. That means in the first 15 minutes, as I'm saying you, the pre-open is nothing about in the first 15 minutes the trade is triggered. If the trade is triggered in the first 15 minutes, it's not quite liquid. And Ambuja Cement 17 to 24, City Union Bank that also triggered. So many stocks which triggers, and but you can easily find out some stocks which is going to be triggered after some times, that can be given you some intraday opportunity. But still as of now this temporary sheet is under testing, but right now we are improved our updating speed, and also some errors on our previous week, lot of errors on the data. So now we have used, and that will works better. Maybe you will be getting, so as a student who attend my positional classes, that would be working for you, and you can focus only a quality and liquid stock and monthly positional also. So we have a lot of put side only because market not given, but even though we have a call side that has also been profit, and zero already achieved a target, and say X side again re-entry today 15 to 17. So like you can also plan a loop in 990 75 to 98, and someone we find a Cipla, and it was given you some up and again moving down. Okay, so today I think one of my students would take in a position and it given, but we can't exit because of illiquidity. Okay, I hope you understood about this Google Sheet concept, and that was working better for our trading opportunity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, and if you want to access the Google Sheet, directly WhatsApp the number and you will be getting the paid sheet. And also courses on offer right now up to tomorrow. about on our website, which you can find out the courses, advanced option strategy. So you can easily get from that our website. And if you wish to take our courses and go for a courses, if you are going to take any of the courses, you are going to get something around 23% discount, and you can make use of it, this code India 77 IND 77, and you will be getting the course. So maybe you are going to get some benefit of 1840 deduction from the current price of this one. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.